Hello everyone, Kingtut 101 here. Today I'd like to show you how to use a script that I made that will automatically download the most popular TheoTown backgrounds from the gallery. If you don't know what the gallery is, basically it's a place where people upload screenshots of their cities, and the most popular ones make it onto this page. Basically, I've made a script that will look for the image links encoded into this page, extract them, and then download the images to your local machine. So you can see right here that I have a folder inside the pictures folder called TheoTown_gallery. And yeah, this is the top 40 images from the popular page, and these were all automatically downloaded with my script. So here's the script itself. If you want to download it, you're going to want to go to my GitHub page. This will be linked in the description. It should come with a PY file and a BAT file. You'll also want to install Python in order to actually run this script. So you'll see a page like this. This will also be linked in the description, of course. You'll want to scroll down and then download whichever one is the most recent. Right now, that would be, I guess, 3.12.4. Any version of Python 3 should work, though. You can also download it from the Microsoft Store, technically, but I'd recommend against that because it tends to have a lot of issues. So anyway, I'm sure you want to know how to actually run this script. So if you don't want this to be automatic and you just want it to download into this folder that I showed you before, what you can do is just double click the BAT file and that will just open this command prompt here and automatically start running it. Now if you ever want to stop this script early, you can just hit Control C and then it'll do that and exit. Now if you want to change the output folder, you're going to need to run this in PowerShell. So just type PowerShell in here, and then you're going to want to navigate to the folder that your script is stored in. So what you can do is just right click up here, copy address, and then go back to PowerShell, type in cd space, parentheses, or not, apostrophes, quotes, whatever, and then hit enter, and now we're in the folder. And if I list the items, you can see that the script is in here. Now what you want to do is type in either Py or Python. The one you'll need to type in will depend on how you installed Python. For me, it's Py, and if I try to type in Python, it'll try to open the Microsoft Store, which is not what we want. So anyway, you're going to want to type in Py or Python space, then do the name of the script, background downloader.py, and then insert the name of the folder you'd like to output the images to. If you'd like to use a local folder in the same place as the script itself, you can just do something like test. Otherwise, you can give it a full file path and it'll be able to handle that as well. So once I hit enter, you'll see that it starts generating this test folder here with each of these images inside of it. And yeah, it just goes one at a time, downloads each of them. Like I said before, if you want to stop the script early, just hit Control and C, and it'll stop that right quick. So we're just going to delete that folder for now. So I'm sure you're also wondering, how can I get this to run automatically so I can use it for automatically updating my desktop backgrounds? So that's actually pretty straightforward. All we have to do is hold down the Windows key and then push R. That'll open up this run prompt here. Then type in shell:startup and hit OK. This will open a folder right here, the startup folder. And then what you're going to want to do is right-click runscript.bat, hit create shortcut, and then you're going to want to move this into the startup folder. And that's it. Next time you restart your computer, you should see a command window come up, and the script will start running just like I showed you before, and it will automatically download it to the TheoTown_gallery folder. Now, if you want to automatically update your backgrounds, you're going to need to set this as your backgrounds folder. So just go to the Windows background image settings, hit browse, and then just choose TheoTown Gallery. Hit choose this folder, and then make sure that your background type is set to slideshow. Now, if you have a slow internet connection or are worried about this script running every time that you turn on your computer, you can also use the task scheduler. This should come pre-installed with Windows, and it'll give you a lot more control over when your script runs. Now, I'm not going to go into detail about this here, but it's something to look into if you're interested. But yeah, that's about it for now. Thanks for watching.